So today I will be discussing the importance of 3D printing by answering these questions. Do you think that 3D printing in dentistry is worth it, and why? So these are the benefits on using 3D printing system on dentistry or in the field of orthodontics. So the demand advantage of 3D printing system is the ability to produce a range of products with the same hardware, software, and set of resin. 3D printers do not require any tooling, and users can print a finished product directly on the digital model. In addition, the labor of printing study models requires less skill than models made of traditional mold because 3D printing digitalizes and automates the production process. So it means that there will be less labor required in order for this to operate and to produce a model. So dental professionals can leverage 3D printing to produce more accurate orthodontic study models than the traditional with the mold, involving many steps, multiple pourings, trimming, grinding, and drying. And traditional models is manual to prone to errors. So as you can see that just one mistake you have to do the entire process again. So each step can accumulate small dimensional errors that only results in unsuitable final product. So this will be very time consuming and as well as it will take a lot of resources in because of the errors that has been made in those steps such as pouring, trimming, grinding, and drying. So by using 3D printers, it will be aesthetic and dimensional accurately to the teeth of the patient exactly as it is needed. So, the orthodontic study models printed with modern DLP printers and uh, photosensitive dental resins only require support removal, washing and cured resin, and quick buffering. Contrast with the less traditional process which require multiple grinding and polishing steps to produce a realistic model. So it is very hard to do all of this because um, it requires a lot of skill, it requires a lot of time in order to do this. So because of 3D printers, there will be less post processing and the model can be created right there and then. So for the next one is the fast turnaround helps accurate diagnostic or planning, reduce the overall treatment time, and leading to higher patient satisfaction. Of course, especially in today's world, everything is like fast. So we need this 3D printing to in order for a faster treatment and to satisfy our patients so that they can easily um, get the what they needed and also it will be accurate for them. So it is very first fast turnaround and very helpful for the dentist and the patient. For the next question, what might make it more feasible? So These are other 3D printed dental procedures. So another benefit of using the 3D printing system and material is flexibility to produce other dental procedures. I mean products. So first is clear aligners. So practitioners can use advanced 3D printing materials to directly print in the same day clear aligners for the patient intraoral scan. So this is very needed, especially for people who grind their teeth. So they can just do it on the same day, which is very nice and less time consuming. So yes, for the night guards and retainers, the best printer offer is high as 25 micron resolution and allow the extract definition of the gum line. So this is very revolutionary because there is a lot of less labor on doing all of this. So crowns and bridge work. So a single process can 3D print accurate crowns and bridge work for with FDA required resin. So even though there is less work, you will still get the same quality as doing it manually. So which is very feasible for the dentist. Then for dentures, practitioners can easily print a set of dentures and if necessary, make adjustment and quickly reprint them for the patient. So again, very less time consuming and also the patient can use it as it is. No need for curing, no need for anything. If ever there is an error, we can just reprint it again and it will accumulate less time, which is very feasible for the patient. So surgical guides. So guides directly print from the intraoral scan are provided on the orthodontic surgeon much faster than the traditional dental lab. Of course, dental lab is not all clinics has them. Then traditional dental lab. But if you have this 3D printer, you can just scan the intraoral of the patient and just do the surgery much faster. So by that, this concludes our video about the importance of 3D printing in dentistry. Thank you.